Hi everyone, Ro from Ro's Kitchen here, of course. Who else would I be? I am Ro. And I am sitting here in my rocking chair, and I hope I'm not making you nauseous by rocking back and forth. I've just had an interesting morning. I've just felt a little bit like, oh, where do I go next? What do I do? Anyway, I wanted to remind you, that's one of the things I wanted to do this morning, was Thursday night, we are doing the Nori Rolls. Remember I said we'd do something different Thursday, something a little out of the box? I think you're gonna like these. These, I think, are gonna be something you can wow people with because they're super easy, super cheap, and a great way to bring to a party, bring to a barbecue, a cookout, somebody's house, have as an appetizer. I think it's a great versatile dish because it's not fishy and it's plant-based, so I think you're going to enjoy it. So Thursday night, 7 o'clock Central Standard Time, make sure you click in for our live show. I'm going to make them for us, and then I want you to make them, and I want you to post a picture of you with the food. You know what I mean? So like, let's say this was the Nori Roll. How's that? Or, okay? So I could see your smiling face and your recipe. Does that sound good? I like that idea. I think I'm going to do that all the time. I think I'm going to ask you to do that all the time. Then I also want to talk about tonight a big deal, something I'm working on that's why I took the poll, because I am working on something that I feel you might like and will help both of us. Okay? So I look forward to seeing you Thursday night. Oh, I hope you like the new summer dew. A little short, I know, but it'll grow back. Anyway, you have a fantastic day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you Thursday night.